Hi everyone, welcome to Drapes and Dazzles. This is the second part of the Bengal handloom sarees that we are showcasing. So let's start with the videos. The first saree is a khadi saree, khadi cotton saree. This is a pure khadi, handloom khadi, and this is in actually a chutney green color with a nice broad border. Look at the border; it has double border. In fact, there is a temple border here with stripes, and again small temple border here. I'll show you from here. This is the border, and this is the stripes, and this again the border. And this is the pallu. This has yellow stripes all over the pallu, and the whole sari is like this. Look at this sari. And it's very nice and elegant for office wear, daily wear. It is very comfortable, also very cool to wear in summers. So this is the look of the sari, and if you like this, please send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp and we'll send you the details. Okay, and the next sari is linen sari. This sari has been we have sold this sari so many times. This color especially has been selling like hotcakes. Okay, and this is a very deep maroon. It's actually a cross between maroon and brownish color. And this is the pallu part. This is actually linen jamdani sari. This is a black color pallu with jamdani work. This work has gicha work in this also. This part I'll show you. And this whole sari is plain with black border, plain border, and the whole sari is actually plain. But this is very elegant, and many of my customers have worn this. This doesn't stay. It sells very fast. This is the work. I'll show you the work. This is the gicha work. This is actually jute. This is a gicha work, jamdani work, and this is the zari work here. This has zari also on the pallu part. So this is the entire look of the sari. All the saris again, the prices have been displayed on the screen. You can check out. And if you like this sari, please send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp and we'll revert to you as soon as possible. Okay, the next sari is again linen tissue sari. This is very trending nowadays. This sari in particular, you get many shades. This is a baby pink color, very light baby pink color. Okay, and it has a silver undertone to it. Right? And this is the gicha pallu. The speciality of this particular sari, in certain, especially pink color, you get this gicha pallu, pink, cream and all. So this is the pallu, and this is also very nice. This can be worn for small parties and certain occasions. It's really very elegant. Look at the sari, very pretty pink. If you like this sari, send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp and we'll revert to you. The next is also very trending, organic linen saris. Linen saris are very trending nowadays. Also, all these saris, linen saris have though they have a blouse piece in it. It's advisable you don't you don't stitch the linen blouses because it may not last. The stitches may not last. So it's advisable you wear a matching contrast, printed blouses, as kalamkari blouses, etc. with it. So this is the organic linen sari. This has a zari work, jamdani work here, and this is the pallu of the sari. Very nice. It is perfect for puja. Durga Puja is coming up in a month, and Dasera also. It's very perfect for such occasions. Very beautiful, very nice material, and it has booties, in gap. Look at this inside. This also has a blouse piece, but as I said, it's advisable to wear another material blouse. Okay, this is the look of the sari, and if you like it, please send it to us on WhatsApp, and we'll get back to you. Okay, the next sari is very stunning Katha stitch sari. I'm so excited to show this sari. This is in pure tussar. This comes with a silk mark. Just give me the silk mark. 1 minute. This is the silk mark of the sari. This is pure tussar sari, and this has this has end-to-end Katha stitch work. I'll show you the work in some time. This has end-to-end, and on the upper part of the sari there are these buttas, and this is the border, and this is like the all over the sari there will be this kind of a work. And look at the pallu, full work pallu, beautiful sari. And I'll show you the inside also. See, this has end to end border, end to end border. This has a blouse piece. I'll show you the blouse piece also. This is the blouse piece. It has a border which you can use for the hands and the back side. Okay, so this is the sari. I'll show you from here. This is the beautiful katha stitch. Look at this border, and this is the upper border, and this is the motifs which is there on the upper part of the sari. This is the kind of motifs. Okay, so this is pure tussar silk, comes with a silk mark, and this is pure katha stitch, a handmade sari. Look at the sari, and this is the look of the sari. You can send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp if you like it, and we'll come back to you. There are many patterns in katha stitch. If you require more sari, you can send a WhatsApp to us and we'll reply to you. Next is a showstopper, and the last sari of the day is this again katha stitch sari in deep purple color. Gorgeous sari. It has this zigzag lines and few motifs here all over the sari. Look at the sari. This is the body of the sari, and this is the inside part. And look at the pallu. Beautiful. Stunning is the word for the sari. Beautiful sari. This is the pallu, and there is a blouse piece. Yes, it has a blouse piece. It has a border which you can use for your blouse, hand and the back side of this. This is Bangalore silk, pure Bangalore silk. Okay, and this is the look of the sari. If you like this, please send it to us on WhatsApp and we'll reply to you soon. Okay, with this we come to the end of the Bengal Handloom Special. We had it in 2 parts. If you missed the first part, please go to our Insta page or our YouTube page, and you can find that there. Many more saris there. Okay, thank you so much. We'll come back to you with many more saris and jewelry. Thank you so much.